as you can see, I can get a better view of the front. And that's our storm clouds. And as you can see, there's quite a few people here. Most everybody put their cars in the garages, though. Wind's not too bad. We are getting gusts of about like 30, 35 miles an hour. Haven't heard anything about Wildwood, what's going on with that. So as soon as I do know, I will send you all the info. Can you hear that? Should start sounding like a train soon. Probably in the next 4 hours. They say it's going to really start hitting hard about 11 o'clock tonight. So